Good morning, students. Welcome back. Yesterday we started with the lesson. What was name of our lesson? The name of our lesson was naming words, and we studied three questions, I think so. 2 or 3 questions we studied about naming words. Naming words म्हणजे काय? Naming words म्हणजे nouns. And in short, in yesterday's one video we have seen that there was a picture, and what we did picture reading. त्या चित्रामध्ये काय काय होतं ते आपण बघितलं, राईट. what we saw some, there was one girl, there was one boy, there was camel rider, there was monkey, there was eagle sitting, correct. More, there was crow flying in the sky, there was bus, correct, there was car. मग आपण हे सगळे चित्र बघून काय केलं, आपण हे सगळे पिक्चर्स बघून काय केलं, आपण ते डिवाइड केले, करेक्ट. पीपल कोण आहेत, प्लेसेस कोण आहेत, what will come in people, what will come in places, what will come in animals, what will come in birds, and what will come in things. We did classification, correct or not. We identified, for example, now camel rider काय आहे, हा एक तो एक person आहे, yes or no, he is human being. Then boy is what, boy is human being, girl is what, she is human being. So what we wrote that all in people. Then in places, what we wrote school, church. Then what was third one? The third one was of animals. In animals we wrote what, monkey. More, what, which animals were there? Horse was there, monkey was there, and dog was there, correct. In third thing, it was not things, it was birds. Fourth one was what, birds. Then in birds, what did we write? We wrote eagle, correct. We wrote crow. And which was one more bird? There was parrot, correct. Parrot was also there, which is sitting on the nameplate of zoo. And in things we wrote car, building, bus. In this way, the names of people, the names of places, the names of animals, the names of birds, the names of things, all are what? All are naming words. सगळे काय आहेत? Naming words. What are they? They are naming words. And yesterday I told you, after completing that lesson, we saw some pictures, we found out what are animals, what are birds, what are things. After that I told you we are going to start with the new lesson, that the name of our lesson is classification. What is name of our lesson? Classification. Now what is this classification? Classification म्हणजे काय? Classification means ओळखता आला पाहिजे. बुक्स, फॉर एक्झाम्पल 4 to 5 बुक्स आर देअर. 4 ते 5 बुक्स आहेत माझ्याकडे आणि त्याच्यामध्ये एक पेन आहे. तर मग तुम्हाला सांगता आलं पाहिजे, मॅम 3 बुक्स आणि 1 पेन, करेक्ट. फॉर एक्झाम्पल आय विल शो यू. नाव आय हॅव 2 पेन्स विथ मी अँड 1 इरेझर, अँड आय विल कीप दॅट ऑल थिंग्स ऑन माय हँड, on the palm of my hand. Okay, now I will ask you, students, can you classify what it is? Then you will say, ma'am, there are 2 pens and 1 eraser. सांगणार की नाही तुम्ही काय म्हणणार, मॅडम 2 पेन आणि 1 इरेझर आहे. नेक्स्ट वन, if I will show you books, just a minute. If I will show you books like this, in this way, I will show you books and I will keep duster also over here. I will say, students, can you tell me what is this? Then you will say, ma'am, there are 3 books and 1 duster. Understood? Then duster is book or what? No. Books are pages which are put together. Books काय आहेत? खूप सारे पानं एकत्र घेऊन ते स्टेपल केले म्हणा, किंवा तुम्ही there are factories where books are made, and the books are made, and duster is another thing. On duster we read or what? No. But in books we read? Yes, we read in books. आपण पुस्तक कशासाठी घेतो? वाचण्यासाठी. आपण डस्टरवरती वाचतो का? नाही. तर मग ह्या 3 गोष्टी, 3 books are same and 1 is different. 3 things are same and 1 is different. Understood? Now next example which I want to tell you is, if I have, just a minute, I will show you something. Now I'll show you, there are two phones with me, okay. I'll say, students, there are two phones with me and there is one pouch. Come on, tell me what are same. From three things, which two things are same and which one thing is different? Then immediately what you will say, तुम्ही काय सांगणार लगेच, मॅम दोन मोबाईल आहे आणि एक पाउच आहे. Understood? And then in this way there are some pictures. There are some pictures. तुमच्या नवीन लेसनमध्ये काय आहे, पिक्चर्स दिलेले आहे आणि तुम्हाला ते पिक्चर्स ओळखायचे आहेत. काय करायचं आहे, तुम्हाला ते पिक्चर्स ओळखायचे आहेत आणि ते पिक्चर्स ओळखून काय करायचं आहे, तुम्हाला क्लासिफाय करायचं आहे की कोणते सेम आहे आणि कोणता एक डिफरंट आहे. अंडरस्टूड? अँड आय विल शो यू फोटो ऑफ दॅट लेसन. जस्ट अ मिनिट. ओके. सो नेम ऑफ आवर लेसन इज व्हॉट? नेम ऑफ आवर लेसन इज क्लासिफिकेशन. क्लासिफिकेशन म्हणजे काय, ज्या वस्तू सगळ्या सारख्या आहेत त्या एका बाजूला आणि जी एक वस्तू एकदम वेगळी आहे तिला काय करायचं, ऑड मॅन आउट करायचं आहे. ऑड मॅन करायचं आहे. ऑड मॅन आउट तुम्ही शिकला असाल UKGमध्ये. हॅव यू स्टडीड ऑर नॉट इन UKG ऑड मॅन आउट? येस ऑर नो? सी हिअर नाउ, लेसन इज गिवन ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन. लेसन नंबर 7. Lesson number 7, classification. Cross the odd man out and write whether the three remaining pictures are of animals, clothes, flowers, fruits, furniture, games, then vegetables or vehicles as shown. Now see here, pictures are shown. I will just take book little far away. दिसतंय का तुम्हाला? book दिसतंय? Now this is written by some students, okay. This is old book which I am having. I am going to rub it. I'll rub it and I'll write down correct answers. Now first one is told what? Shirt. पहिला काय आहे? Shirt. Then shoes. Next one is what? Pant. And the last one is frock. Now in this 4 pictures, what is different? Shirt we wear. आपण घालतो shirt. Pant also we wear, and frock also we wear. Then these three are what? These three are what? Clothes. And shoes आपण घालतो का अंगात? नाही. Yes, we wear shoes in our feet, but they are not what? These three are clothes. हे तीन काय आहेत? कपडे आहेत. शूज कपडे आहेत का? नाही. So we have done here wrong, cross. And shoes are what? Odd man out. And these three are what? Clothes. So here it is written clothes. Can you see? In same way we are going to do second one, third one, fourth one, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. We are going to classify this all pictures. Classify म्हणजे काय, जे सेम आहेत ते आपण काय आहेत ते लिहिणार आहेत. ओके. नाउ सेकंड वन पिक्चर, फर्स्ट वन वी सॉ दॅट शर्ट, पॅन्ट अँड फ्रॉक इज वॉट? दे आर क्लोथ्स. I will write down now. I cannot draw picture, so what I will do, I will write down names. Shirt, shoes, pant and frock. From these three, shirt, pant and frock is what? They are clothes. कपडे आहेत ते काय आहे? कपडे. So what we are going to do, what is wrong then, which is odd man out? ह्या 3-4 याच्यामध्ये शूज आपण कपडे म्हणून घालत नाही. Yes or no? We don't use shoes as clothes. So what is odd man out? Shoes. Understood? Now second picture which is shown here is of table. Can you see here? Stool is there, car is there, then what it is called, table is there and chair is there. Okay. Stool, car, table, or you can first one you can say table. No, it is stool only. STOOL, stool, car, table and the last one is chair. Now in this 4, what is odd man out? Stool is what? Stool we use in our house. Table is what? We use in our house. Chair is what? We use in our house. So these all three are what? These all three are furnitures. What are they? They are furniture. Then what is odd man out? Car is furniture or what? Car we use in the house or what? आपण घरामध्ये वापरतो का car? No, car we use outside of the house. So what is odd man out in this? Car is the odd man out in this 4 examples. Now third example which is given over here is, I will show you picture of third example. First one is hockey stick. Second one is what? Bat and ball. Third one is racket and shuttle. And the last one is building. Okay. Now in this 3, I will write down here hockey stick. Hockey stick. Second one, bat and ball. Next one is racket. And the last one is what? Building. Now in this 4, what is odd man out? Hockey stick, games. Bat and ball, games. Racket and shuttle, games. Correct? These all 3 things are related with what? They are related with what? They are related with games. They are related with what? Games. And then what is odd man out in this? Building is odd man out. So what we have done? We have cancelled building. Correct? So now from this examples, what is over? Our clothes is over. Correct? Let me show you. Right. Our clothes is over. Okay, I will put tick mark over there. Furniture is over and games is over. Okay. Now what is left? Flowers, fruits, vegetables, vehicles and animals are left. This we are going to study in tomorrow's period. What we will do? We will study it in tomorrow's period. 3 examples are over, 3 classification examples are over. Now in tomorrow's period we are going to study 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th classification of pictures. Okay. Thank you.